I'm going to start by using my seam ripper to remove the back belt loop. I'm then going to unstitch the waistband, probably about 10 centimeters on each side of the back seam. I'm going to unstitch the tag as well. And now I'm going to unstitch the back seam. For jeans, there's going to be 2 layers of thread, and I'm making sure to unstitch both of them. With the back seam all opened up, I'm now ready to try the jeans on inside out. After taking off the jeans, I'm just going to repin the seam to make sure that it's a straight line. I'm also going to make sure that my new seam line is going to align well with the old seam. It's important after you repin that the pockets and the yoke seams all align. I'm now going to trim away the excess, leaving a 1.5 centimeter seam allowance. I'm then going to take out all my pins and repin the back seam, with one side a centimeter higher than the other side. You'll be able to tell which side to put a centimeter higher depending on the original stitch of the jeans. The 1 centimeter difference is so that after we've sewn this line, we're going to be able to tuck the fabric over like so. Now with a straight stitch, we're going to sew along those pins. And now we're ready to fold that excess centimeter over and pin it down. We're going to do that all along the back seam. And we're going to make sure that our new seam aligns with the old seam. And then we're going to straight stitch along those pins. To mimic the jean stitching, we're now going to need to do a top stitch and make sure that it lines up with the stitch that's already there. Now moving on to the waistband. We're going to cut it in half, and then we're going to unstitch all the top stitching with the seam ripper. We're now going to repin our waistband, making sure that it lines up with the new size of our jeans. We're then going to sew that with a straight stitch and trim away all the excess. And now repin the waistband back on and get it ready to top stitch. And then sew with a straight stitch, making sure to get through all of the layers of the waistband and the jeans. And now with a zigzag stitch, you're ready to reattach your belt loop. And then your final step is to reattach the tag, and you're all done.